Another day, another package for video reviews. Let's see what we got today. This came via FedEx. So we have a dash cam for the car. Wow, looks pretty advanced. This one is gonna require a little bit of studying. Let's actually see what's in here. I guess this goes on the windshield. Car charger, power cord, wire to run it through the car, SD card, some protecting film, some pads, instructions. Oh, I forgot this one. And this one is a 70 MIA 4G hardware kit. Some serious wiring work required. We'll deal with this later. So I've been traveling a lot, and that's why I did the unboxing in Miami. Now I am in Santiago de Chile. I've been skiing, driving around different cars, enjoying the country here. It's beautiful. I'm finally gonna install this camera later today. This is the actual camera, and as you can see, it has this platform with this film, which is sticky plastic. You're gonna put this on the windshield and then remove this blue film so it will attach properly. Here's the little slot for the card, which is here. Let's do that now. There you go. So the camera comes with this 128 gigabyte SD card. It goes in there. There it is. Let's protect that. And this part of the camera is the one that rotates. I'm not gonna force it now because I don't want to damage it, but this is the way it goes in the dashboard, and then this rotates. You can actually talk to it, capture right, capture left, take a picture, several voice commands that go through it. And then here the control, because in this little screen you're gonna see all the instructions. Now it's not charged, so we already talked about these films. This is the same film for the back camera. This doesn't rotate 360, it rotates only up and down. So that's that. Here are the wires that I'm gonna use to connect it, and this goes, I saw it before. No, that's the one for the card. Oh, it goes here on the side, just like that. Oh, I forgot something else. This filter, this is a polarized filter. It's gonna help reduce the glare on the actual footage. Let me see if I can open this too. This packaging is something else. There you go. Let's attach it already. So I'm gonna remove this protective film too. So it came apart, so let's take it out. There it is. Here's the filter. So now it's gonna be much clearer image. Oh, here you align this. I didn't see that before. And this other part that I was a little bit intimidated because of the way of the wiring allows you to connect the system to the fuse box. So this will be hardwired, and don't worry, this won't drain your battery. And you just put this under your dashboard, under the steering wheel, and this will connect to your phone, so you can be able to monitor your car anywhere in the world where you are. It also comes with this 12-volt charger, so you will put it just in here. You connect it to the camera. So this one, hardwire, 12-volt charging, and camera and wiring for the back. These are more pads to mount it in case you need it. This is the tool to hide the wire under the plastic frames around the car. Here's the high wire kit user manual, so you will scan the code and see all the instructions. We're gonna save this for later. All the customer service card, car user manual for the rear. A lot of good instructions, but basically that's it. It's not as difficult as I thought it was gonna be. Just a matter of studying the whole process. This is the wire for the rear camera, and it connects through here. With the click, it's already on. There you go. So that's it. I think we're almost ready to do the final installation, waiting for my friend with his truck here in Chile. So here's the pickup truck where we're gonna install the dash cam. It's a little dirty because it's been working in a construction site, and the camera is gonna be a good addition to this. Okay, here we are. We're gonna install the camera now. We're gonna clean up this area here a little bit, please. And then, where's the other part? I'm gonna use one of these pads. So it goes, yeah, like that. You move it, and then you adjust it however you want. Maybe around there, I think. So you see the marks there. Okay, and now take this off. There it is. Okay, so here you can adjust it, move it backwards or forward. Now, the thing about this Amarok is that, oops, it has the 12-volt outlet here. Oh, but so we're gonna have to run the wire. Let's see it. We have more pads of that. We can take it out, because the other way it can go all the way here. So we haven't finished the installation, but let's turn it on. So this camera has voice commands. It's setting up now, it's calibrating.
Hello, I am Max. Please use 70 my app to bind the device.
Okay, why do you do that while we do the other thing? Look for the app somewhere here. I think there you go. I'm gonna start putting the wire through here in the meantime. So let's see, so you already, oh, you're registering?
Yep.
The camera is already working. It's recording actually, give you the time. So you have an extra watch there. Look, that's cool. So we finished the wiring for this main camera. It goes all the way here. I think I did a pretty good job. You don't see it there. You see it here a little bit, but it's pretty hard to put in. Maybe when it's hot, plastics loosens up a little bit. You'll be able to hide it, but now you don't see it. So we're gonna install the back camera now. So don't look at the mess in this truck. It's a little dirty, just a little dirty.
It's a work truck.
Not too much.
It's a work truck.
It's a work truck. So we're gonna install this back camera under the headrest here, so it's completely hidden. You won't see it, but he will be able to see the cargo bed and whatever it's around. So let's do that. Whoops. Yeah. Let's clean the outside a little bit.
No, ahí está. All right.
So now we're gonna install the wire, and we're gonna do just a quick test. So this is just a test of the back camera wiring. So there's the camera, the wire is already running through here, and you won't even know it's there. I'm gonna keep running the wire through here. Maybe we find oil or gold or something here. Maybe, I don't know. So we finally installed both cameras. They're connected. Back, that you don't see it at all, and front, the wire all through here. We have a little problem here because it's very tight and it's very cold here, so the plastic is not receding. But at some point when it's hot, like in the summer here, or maybe even just under a little bit of sun, we're gonna be able to push it in. Let's see what we see here.
We put the camera up upwards.
Oh, we put the camera upside down. A little problem, but I think we can fix that. Let's work on that. Okay, we have an extra pad here, double stick, so we're gonna try to take it off. Don't break it. So actually this got stuck really well to the point that we cannot take it off. Again, maybe on a summer day when it's hot, and in case we use the footage, we just flip it on the computer. I'm gonna leave it like that. So be careful with that. Installing the camera, make sure that it's not upside down like we did. So here we go, first test the dash cam driving around Santiago. There's no traffic, Sunday afternoon, so you won't see as much action as you will see on a Monday morning, but let's see what we get. So there you go, that was our first ride around here, Santiago. We're gonna check the footage now, see what we got. We know the back camera is upside down. I can flip it in the computer. So this is the 70 My Dashcam 4K Omni series, which is the world's first 360-degree rotating dashcam. AI motion tracking, crystal clear 4K video, and remote access capabilities. Our unit came with a 4G hardwire kit for remote access and parking surveillance. Then you download the 70 MAI app and pair it to your device via Wi-Fi. And then you can access all your footage. You can configure your settings, download a high-resolution video directly to your phone, and control it with a 360 lens remotely. This is a very advanced camera, industry first 360 rotating camera, eliminates blind spots and captures everything, follows any person or object, animal, whatever that is around your car when you're parked, record rich detail day or night. It has Sony STARVIS Sensor, which ensures low light clarity and really high quality video. IA features allows you to talk to the camera, automatically pans to follow when you are away. Here's some actual footage from the camera driving around. This is gonna be a good investment for anybody who is driving around, because this can save you from any insurance fraud or any accidents, or just like capturing beautiful images when you are around.